Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Monday. Welcome to Monday, y'all. I'm ready to clean my bus. And come in real quick. I gotta hit this button real quick and post this sign. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy, let's see, what are we gonna call Monday? Motivation Monday, make me smile Monday, get that money Monday. I don't know, but it's a wet Monday, and I'm looking at this, and I should be looking at that. Sorry. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up and leave me some comments at the bottom. Check out some of my other videos. You could click on that little icon at the top or click on the end clips to look at those videos. Also, make sure you watch my video until the entire video, I should say. It helps my channel. Also, if you thumbs up my video, it also helps my channel. Hit the notification bell. That helps my channel. I really don't have anything to do today. I don't really have nothing to do. But, yeah. Nothing at all. I'm just getting done with this route. I didn't clean my bus Friday. So I'm actually going to do that like right now. I'm just going to sweep it real quick. Yeah. All right, here we go. I'm done cleaning my bus. I normally sweep my bus probably like maybe 2 to 3 times a week, just to kind of keep it clean. Yep. So I'm gonna do that. Turn this off. I forgot to write my mileage down. Forgot to write the mileage down, y'all. 44.39. It's a brand new bus with only 4,000 miles on it. We actually just got this bus over the summer, so I'm happy about that. All right, put that up there. grab my work bag, grab my cup, and grab y'all. As y'all see, all the buses back. All of them back. So now, ooh, sorry y'all, it's windy, super windy. Okay y'all, I'm back in the car. Back in the car. Done with my morning route. I was trying to wait on the UPS truck, and any other time the damn truck come early. Now that I'm actually waiting for it, it ain't even coming. Now I'm late. But I got a lot going on right here because I gotta get that Longchamp video finished. I recorded that video almost, well, the beginning of this month, and I need to get it finished, and I need to do some body shots with the bags. So I brought them with me so I could do that. We gonna see. So yeah, this is the Longchamp bag. It's actually folded up. This one and this one. This one is the short handle. I think this is a medium size top handle, not short handle. Top handle, medium size. This bag is actually really big. It's actually almost too big for me. And these are what they consider shoulder, the shoulder strap small. Even though they were advertised as medium, I think these are actually small. And these are actually the same size as a Speedy 25, if you know what that is. Y'all should know what it is because I have one on my page. I actually have a video of the Speedy B and the Damier Ebene in a size 25. So that purse is the same size as these. And I have a Speedy B 30 in a monogram print. That video is also on my page. I actually like it. I'll actually like it. So yeah, I need to, and then y'all already know this is a Longchamp handbag as well, but it's just the backpack style. These are the totes. So I gotta finish that video up because I really need to post that video. Like I said, I made that video the beginning of this month and I still haven't posted. So I need to do that. And this is in like as you can see the color of it. You can really see the color good right here. It's like a ink color purple. And then y'all see this one is more like this is sky blue. I don't think that's what they call it, but this one is a blue color, and then this is the tan one. And I actually bought this one from the Goodwill. I was so shocked. It looked like the camera is moving, but I was so shocked when I found this bag at the Goodwill, and I found it for $2, and it is an authentic Longchamp tote. I was shocked. I was telling myself, I'm like, this couldn't be no real tote for $2. It couldn't be real. But I did some research, and it has all the marks of the real Longchamp. So yeah, I was shocked. For $2, could not believe it. So that's the reason why I was going to other Goodwills trying to, I knew you was gonna do this. I knew they was gonna do this. Why? So I was going to other Goodwills trying to find more, which I never did. I never found another one. But I did find a Tory Burch bag, and I did find a Rebecca Minkoff bag. I think think I got the Tory Burch purse, and I'm not sure if that Tory Burch bag is real. I'm not 100% sure, but it's cute. Whether it's an authentic bag or not, it's still super, super cute. But that Rebecca Minkoff is authentic, and it's like a silver bag. It's super cute. I found that at the Goodwill. I think I paid like $4 for it. Okay, I'm coming in from the bus. I don't even know what I want to talk about. I just know I need some more. Then I was gonna do the purse mod shots, but because I was running late on my route, I decided not to even bring them. I decided to not even bring the bags and just said I'll just do them later. You know, maybe once I get back, when I get back from my route, I'll just do it then. So yeah, I just want to come in real quick. Yeah. Just come in real quick and just talk a little bit about absolutely nothing. So yeah.